In this video, we will explore the fascinating science behind how a power grid collapses and what causes major blackouts. The power grid relies on a delicate, constant balance. To function correctly, the electricity supply must perfectly match the demand from consumers. This balance is measured by frequency, which in many regions is set at 60 Hz. This frequency acts as the heartbeat that keeps all machines connected to the grid in sync. A blackout often begins with a single, unexpected event, such as a tree falling onto a power line, which creates a dangerous fault in the system. When this occurs, automated circuit breakers immediately isolate the faulty line, causing it to lose power to prevent further damage. The electricity is then forced to find a new path, meaning the remaining active lines must suddenly absorb all of that redirected energy. This sudden extra load causes the lines to overheat. To protect the infrastructure, safety relays trip, shutting down these overloaded lines as well. As more lines shut down, the supply can no longer meet the demand, causing the grid's frequency to drop and the system to slow down. As grid phases shift rapidly, safety systems are triggered. If the frequency falls too far below 60 Hz, the relays trip, leading to a potential total collapse. To prevent a total failure, operators may intentionally cut power to specific areas, a process known as load shedding, which helps stabilize the rest of the grid. In severe scenarios, if the balance cannot be restored, the generators will shut down entirely and the grid will go dark. After a collapse, engineers begin the slow, careful process of restarting the grid using specialized local generators to rebuild power step by step. Ultimately, blackouts act as a necessary immune response, where the grid sacrifices specific parts to ensure the survival of the wider system. If you found this explanation helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel.